Stop saying why not. Do you want to sign the lease? No, why not? In life, another cheat code to the matrix. You guys have to realize this. Universal hard fast rule that people will answer the questions you ask them. I'm going to say this again because it's very important for you guys to understand. People will answer the questions you ask them. Why the hell do you want somebody to give you a list of reasons why they don't want to do the thing you want them to do? Are you a masochist? Are you sick? Do you need therapy? Do you like people to beat you up? No, 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 and no. So stop asking people to beat you up. When I say why not, or what are the reasons why you don't want to do this, go ask, if you've got kids, okay? Go find something your kid doesn't want to do, like their homework, and then ask them to tell you, hey, why don't you like doing your homework? Wait till you hear the answer. Oh, no, stupid. If half the time the teacher doesn't even give the right assignment, plus I'm tired, plus I do my homework in school. Now they're giving you all this stuff, okay? Stop asking people why not and just set a clear next step, right? Hey, does it make sense to do your homework before hockey practice? No, Dad. Not why not. Got it, little buddy. What's a good next step then? I'm literally giving you cheat codes for life.